Dachum Pam welcome for bringing this to the fore. I think the indiscipline is the bedrock of all the societal misbehaviors that we have. And indiscipline should start from the homes. Or let's say discipline should start from the homes. Because when our children are disciplined and they obey the laws, and then they are taught, in fact, our Bible says that teach a child the ways of the Lord. When he grows up, he will never depart from those. I do know that Nigerians go out of this country and line up in every facet of other countries' endeavors. But when they come to Nigeria, they shunt. They don't like to line up. They're always in a hurry. And this is where you see big man and small man trying to jump the queue. Even when you sit for a long time and land at our airport, I don't want to believe that the minority leader is sitting in the wrong place with his phone. But I hope it's not true. So even when you arrive in Nigeria, you see a lot of our people refusing to line up to stamp their passports. Just to stamp their passports and get out, which will not cost 5 minutes. It's almost becoming a norm in the society. But I do know that when we had war against indiscipline, that people consciously developed discipline within themselves and behaved. Even when they go to a place, in those days when we used to have post offices, they stand in a line, no argument. And then anybody who comes to do the same, nobody will shunt. So discipline should be part and parcel of everyday life. And of course, what took us to where we are now is because we're disciplined right from home. Otherwise, we would have been lured into all sorts of vices, drug addiction, and cocaine, and Indian hemp, and all those things. And those who partook in those things, many of them have not been alive to see this day. So it's important that our children learn to be disciplined. And it's not just because we have agencies to enforce discipline, but the discipline should be enforced from homes. So I thank you for bringing this. It's the root cause of the problems in the country. And when our children are disciplined, I believe strongly they will not go into criminality, they will not go into banditry, and they will shun all sorts of vices that will bring reproach to Nigeria and their families, but rather they will engage in things that will bring pride to their families. Thank you for this, and my colleagues, thank you for your contributions and taking this motion very seriously. Thank you.